చూసుకోవా
కింద హెచ్డిఎఫ్ఐ స్కౌట్ అది పక్కన పక్కన
శ్రీకాంత్ సార్
కొడుతున్నారు గోలే సార్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత పెడదాం ఎందుకు గోలే కొట్టేసిర్రా ఇవన్నీ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా
మేడం లింక్ IIIC FDP
Good morning to all. A warm welcome to FDPR conducted by Institute of Interaction Cell. Let me introduce today's speaker. Is Mr. N. Venkatapati Raju. He is done BTech from Electrical and Electronics Engineering from SV University and MBA from Osmani University. He has vast experience in electrical industry. So, and he is working as a vice president in Toshiba, who manufactures the transformers. So, he is going to analyze what are the different opportunities being electrical engineer you get. So, hope this section will help you to understand what electrical engineers are supposed to be doing in the industry. I welcome Venkatapati Raju, sir. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Thank you very much for the management of Aeronautical Engineering and Principal and Murthy, Dean Murthy, Dr. Murthy Garu, and my friend C.S. Srinivas, who is instrumental for my presence of today. And also on this occasion, I would like to thank you all who has attendees of this program, faculty members also. I am Venkatraj. Like you, around 91, I joined as one of the engineering students in our college, 91. I completed my engineering in 95, along with Srinivas sir. So, this industry, normally is given least preference over years. Nobody interested to study electrical engineering. Everybody try to go for only computer science. That's what. But today, I want to present what is the available opportunities and also for you to choose right career in your future. That day, even my friends, my colleagues, that day they chosen computer science as their basic career progression. But I chosen as a graduate engineer trainee joined in this company. Now grown up to the vice president level. So opportunities are there for everywhere. But our dedication, our career choosing is the best, the initial criteria for this one. So meanwhile, I will explain about our company and then what are the career opportunities for electrical industry, so that you can also learn what is possibilities. Please ask me questions, interactive session, because I want to listen from you. What is your expectations? What is your doubts and all? I prefer interaction session rather than speech from my side. Okay? So in this session, I would like to introduce my company, Toshiba Corporation and Toshiba T&D, and our portfolio, what we are manufacturing in Hyderabad, and opportunities in electrical core industry, and normally departments available in functioning industry, and expectations from the young talent. About Toshiba, our company is a global supplier of integrated solutions. Toshiba Transmission and Distribution Systems Group is a world leader in the supply of integrated solutions for energy transmission and distribution. Our systems effectively control transmission and distribution in order to deliver reliable electricity from power plants to industries, transportation systems to agriculture and even to our homes. Toshiba has developed its superior technology and has a history of high product quality in this market throughout the course of more than 100 years. Manufactured its first transformer in 1894 and its first switchgear in 1902. Our vast experience, continued expansion has allowed us to gain immense trust and appreciation from customers around the world, which try to increase products and services that enhance society and protect the environment. This is accomplished through a single component reducing environmental impact or a complete smart grid solution. Toshiba continue to serve the people and the planet which we call as a home. Toshiba Corporation Japan has established Toshiba Transmission and Distribution Systems India Private Limited in 6,40,000 square meters area in Hyderabad, Telangana state, India for a T&D business. TD is a global manufacturing hub of Toshiba Corporation to cater products and solutions across the world. In this slide, if you see, Toshiba is a very old company, or 150 years old company in Japan, Toshiba Corporation Japan. They have taken in 2013 in Hyderabad also. They have taken Electrical and take over Electrical, started the operations at Hyderabad in 2013 onwards, 8.5 years back. It is 6,40,000 square meters is the total area, where T&D products we are producing and exporting throughout the world along with the domestic needs. This is about our company and our branch, our company at Hyderabad also. So if you see about the Toshiba, this is company at Hyderabad. The essence of Toshiba, I will explain what is the essence of Toshiba. Basic commitment of the Toshiba group, committed to the people, committed to the future. Why this statement we are giving to all new incoming, all new holders, and also our customers and stakeholders and other across the globe. Committed to people. Main our products mainly meant for the people, for their convenience, safety, for their prosperous and healthy and happiness. Our product designed in such a way that they are always happy with our products. That's the main motto. And also people who involved, including employees or stakeholders, is supposed to be committed to the people and committed to the future. This is where R&D, our future, we want to go for new products like any new advanced products, R&D, and any further improvements we try to see on the day in day out report. Next, our purpose, we turn on the promise of a new day. Because always Kaizen, we call in the Japan Kaizen, the means today you have to do something better than tomorrow. So we need to work for something better, what we are working today. So in that one, we always turn on the promise of a new day. Our values, do the right thing, right time, and work for a better way, and always consider the impact and create together. First one is do the right thing. The moment we will recruit new persons, we will train them how to do a right thing first time. Rather than doing something and at a later stage they find some rework, it is difficult. That's why we always encourage to do people do the right thing first time. And is look for a better way. Always today we are doing something, can we do more than this? Can we do better than this? That's what in our mind. So we will try for improvement. The third one is always consider the impact. We are doing something or agenda product, but always consider impact means today product is designed and delivered to the customer. Some problem with customer, he may face so many issues. So always consider the impact of what we are doing today, what is our product doing in the market. That is our motto. And create together. This is the teamwork. We always believe teamwork delivers more results than individual work. So always with people together we have to work, deliver the product better than single person working. This is our essence of Toshiba. So meanwhile I will play the corporate movie of our company so that you have a better understanding of infrastructure and people involved.
Technology gives us control over these things, extending them, amplifying them, creating new value to help people in losses. Toshiba Corporation Japan has established Toshiba Transmission and Distribution Systems India Private Limited, in short TTDI, as one of its global manufacturing hubs at its 640,000 square meters facility at Hyderabad in India.
TTDI has emerged as global manufacturing hub of Toshiba Corporation Japan to provide innovative products and solutions to the global energy sector. State-of-the-art facilities are established at TTDI for manufacturing of wide range of energy-efficient distribution transformers, solar inverter duty transformers, extra high voltage power transformers up to 1200 kV and GS products up to 800 kV.
TTDI's manufacturing facilities will cater to Indian and global markets by providing energy-efficient, innovative solutions and products remarkable for their innovation and artistry. Small Power and Distribution CRGO Transformers plant has the largest installed capacity in India, having highly automated processing lines with dedicated production bays to manufacture transformers from 5 kVA to 20,000 kVA up to 66 kV class. Amorphous Transformers plant is one of the world's largest fully integrated facilities for manufacturing of energy-efficient, low-loss amorphous metal core distribution transformers to manufacture transformers from 5 kVA to 1500 kVA up to 33 kV class. EHV Transformers plant manufactures extra high voltage and special transformers up to 1000 MVA, 1200 kV class. The main activities like winding, coil assembly and core coil assembly are performed in ISO Class 8 level controlled environment. Our endeavor enabled us to manufacture and commission the world's highest voltage 1200 kV transformer. This division has also an outstanding record of having successfully conducted more than 25 dynamic short circuit tests up to 400 kV at various approved STL in India and abroad. switchgear plant manufactures medium and high voltage switchgear products up to 800 kV. GIS products up to 800 kV are designed for both indoor and extreme outdoor weather conditions like snow and desert. With over 14 decades of rich and vast experience, Toshiba brings in innovative solutions and products for T&D sector with reduced land usage of substations with significant reduction in costs. Toshiba have also developed advanced solutions with gas-insulated switchgears. Even the existing substations can be augmented with these high-tech products at affordable prices.
Having skilled workforce and large scale of backward integration, TDDI is able to make its products cost-effective with greater quality and also ensure quick delivery. This is the age of TDDI.
Our passion for quality and commitment to exceed the expectations of our customers has earned us consistent recognition from the industry. Kaizen activities, teamwork and skilled workforce result in continuous improvement in the processes at all the facilities. Moreover, we back ourselves in caring for environment and people, not just through efficient products, but also in the way we manufacture them. We will continue to bring innovative products and affordable solutions to the global needs. While making transmission and distribution solutions, we ensure that we are not just about the products, we are about people. Toshiba always strives for the safety and improvement of people's lives through proven technology. Together, we can make it happen.
This is our corporate movie. I'll continue the presentation. Now next is product portfolio, what we are manufacturing in Hyderabad factory. It is vertical integrated manufacturing base of transformer and leading supplier of energy efficient amorphous metal distribution transformers. The product range, medium and small power transformers of CRGO. CRGO means cold roll green oriented, is a one kind of material we are using in the transformer. That type, the 3-phase and single phase variety is there, up to 66 class, voltage class. For single phase, 33 rating, up to 3 phase 31, 31.5 MVA call it 31500 kVA. Whereas CRGO silicon steel of distribution transformers of single phase up to 167 kVA. And 3 phase around 4000 kV. Amorphous metal distribution transformers is one of the world largest factory in our Hyderabad factory. This is up to single phase up to 167 kVA and 3 phase 2500 kVA. And electrical tank distribution transformer, the kind of tank required amorphous or CRGO and 3 phase up to 22 kV class around 2500 kV. And completely self-protected transformers, that means transformer itself has a protection, inside circuit breaker, fuse links and surge arresters are there. There is up to single phase 167 and 3 phase 15 kV. For the pad mount transformers, the pad mount CRGO including single phase and 3 phase together around 1000 kV and single phase of amorphous 167 kV, 3 phase of amorphous 1000 kV. And underground distribution transformers of CRGO around up to 1000 kV. The solar inverter duty transformers for 3 windings up to 10 MVA and 5 windings up to 20 MVA. These are the product portfolio of the distribution transformers. We manufacture from smaller rating to higher rating also. All the products of the related transformers we produce in Hyderabad factory. This is the product portfolio photos. The first one is medium and small power transformer. The second one is 3-phase transformer, third one is underground 3-phase distribution transformers, and inverter duty transformers, single phase transformer, or pad mount transformer. I try to emphasize on underground transformer. What is underground means, in case of totally like water is submerged, the transformer is submerged in the water also, it won't fail. That is the technology required in underground transformer. Sometimes they mount the transformer in the underground like railway stations and all. Suddenly rain, water has entered the transformer, nothing will happen to the transformer. That's what technology. This is a flat mount transformer. Now India is just gearing up to install this kind of. Normally US, this kind of transformer you can see very frequently. Completely, the external world, they will install in the next to their house, directly on the ground only. You can touch whatever you want to, you can do on the transformer. So no electrical shock to the any person. So highest safety level will come with pad mounted transformer. Remaining all are single phase pole mounted where poles are installed, and that is the inverted duty transformer. All solar panels, solar power generator, we require inverted transformer to generate and transport the power from the generator from the solar plant. These are the varieties of distribution transformer. Going to the next, EHV, extra high voltage and ultra high voltage power transformers. There is a generator transformers up to 1000 MVA, up to 800 kV class, the auto transformer up to 1500 MVA, 400 kV class, separate winding transformer 1000 MVA, up to 800 kV class, traction transformer 200 MVA, up to 245 kV. This is some of the installation photograph, and the other photographs you can see the imagine the how it looks like power transformer. Do you have any doubt on rating of the transformer? If you don't know also you can ask. Transformer normally capacity, we call what is the capacity, like a motor HP like this. In transformer we call it capacity KVA rating, KVA or MVA like this. Smaller transformer we call it KVA. Small house required 100 kVA transformer. One apartment required 160 kVA transformer. Like a college required 1000 kVA, 500 kVA. Power transformers in generation, they were MVA. 1000 kVA is equal to 1 MVA. So on 500 MVA, 315 MVA, like that large transformer will be there in the substations and generator stations. So all the transformer from 5 kVA, the smallest is 5 kVA, to the almost 1000 MVA will manufacture in our Hyderabad factory. Next portfolio, gas insulated switchgear, indoor and outdoor GS equipment installations. Normally you can see the substations everywhere. Substation means air insulated substation. You can see bare bushings, you can see bare conductors, everything. Whereas this technology, all controls, circuit breakers, everything inbuilt in the tube and the control circuit only. So if we use a substation of air insulated, regular substation, 1 acre required to build a one substation. If you go for this technology, 1/10 of area is sufficient to build a GS. Now Hyderabad also slowly where Gachibowli and all where space constraint, they are opting for this new technology, but cost will be little more than compared to conventional SAS substations. So we have started manufacturing in Hyderabad factory with the Toshiba corporate technology. Is one of the latest product from us. And that is for our portfolio. Have any further questions on our Toshiba? What we are doing, or any questions till now? Please speak something. No doubts? So that is, but up to now I explained about what is our portfolio, our corporate movie, what we manufacture from the Hyderabad factory. Now I am shifting over to the next level, opportunities and not opportunities, what is the power sector in India? So one of the power sector factors for our GDP growth, installed generating capacity. The 3 types of category generation is there in our country. One is central sector and owned by the central government. In terms of capacity called megawatts. If it is central government, they are generating per annum 99,005 megawatt. It is a 24.6% of the total generation in India. And state sector like Telangana state, AP, Gujarat, like they have one state sectors. The generation is 1,04,863, it is 26%. And third one is major is private sector. Private sector after power is generating, that is 1,98,949 megawatts, that is 49.4. Altogether, as in this year, last year, 4,02,817 megawatt they are generating, out of which, again, if you see this total generation, but again, there are two kinds of, you can categorize further. One is fossil fuel like coal. These are coal, gas, diesel. It's called fossil fuel generation, that is 58.6. This is the highest maybe in like an advanced country. Like other advanced countries, they don't use this much fuel for the generation. Non-fossil like renewable energy, as in today 41.4% only. If you see further category, fossil fuel, coal, they are generated 2,04,080, is 50.7% of total generation to coal only. Lignite around 6620, 1.6%, gas 24,879, 6.2%, and diesel 510.1%. Out of 58.6, 50.7% is only coal only. So India total generation is coming from coal only, 50% of the generation. That's what the environment issues, coal shortage is facing in India. Next category, which is the most wanted and most want to grow in this sector, is renewable energy. That is hydro through hydro. Hydro will not come under renewable, but it is a green energy. But it is around 46,723 megawatts, it is 11.6. Wind 40,706, 10.1. Solar 56,951, it is 14.1%. And biomass power 10,205, 2.5%. Waste to energy 477, that is 0.1. Small hydropower 4886, 1.2%. Altogether 1,59,948 megawatts is 39.7, and nuclear 6780, it is 1.7%. Altogether, if you see, we have majority from the coal only, 50%, but wind and hydro and solar is almost 10% to 11%. Solar now 14.1, but going to increase further in this financial year and further subsequent financial year. Why this slide I am explaining to you is how India is generating power. Is it required enough for our future? And which way we need to go forward? If at all going, you can still continue fossil fuel. You have some other issues like shortage of coal, environmental issues and all. So renewable energy required to enhance further for our sustainable future and easily available. They know raw material required for this generation. So the overall understanding I presented this slide. Any doubt on this slide? You want to any further explanation? I will move to the next slide. Next is power sector in India only. Total generation include renewable sources. It is in units is million units. The last, if you see 2008 to 2010, the generation is increasing because our demand also increasing. Slowly, if you see last year, we are generated 1491.9 billion units. 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. That many units you are generating and consuming online. In terms of see the growth in total generation percentage, up to 2018-19, the growth is good. 2019-20, that little bit not negative, but almost flat. But 2020-21, it is a negative growth first time reported because of corona and subsequent effects. And last year, 2021-22, is again grown to 7.96%, more than the previous year. So I mean to say here, we are growing in generation. Demand is there, that's why growing also there. If it is the power generation versus the growth ratio, almost the previous slide, two slides are merged into one slide. This one is only 2 months up to May only, 2 months data only. That's why it is showing 16.71% because of May and only the data is available. So the demand, power generation growth is increasing year by year, almost except 1 year. So it will likely to increase further because of demand is there. Here, till now we are only generation only. Now this slide speak about the power demand versus availability. This is same 2009-10 to last year. Still, we have a deficit of power. The shortage minus last year 0.4% is demand is more than the generation. That's why the power cuts. That is peak season like summer and the peak hours like morning 6 to 10, evening 6 to 10. The peak hours, we call it peak hours. The generation shortage is much more than what is projected here. This is projected average. But peak demand and peak hours demand is much more and demand is more than generation. That means we need to generate more power to meet our own requirement and future also. The next opportunity, one is electrical EV revolution, electrical vehicles. We are also gearing up to the EV vehicles available in India. So many automobile sectors are coming with new EV vehicles. Advanced countries already they are very progressive in this aspect, but we are still yet to progress more in this aspect. The CEWCF report says India 2030 vision of e-mobility, that is 70% of commercial cars, 30% of private cars, 40% of buses, and 80% of two-wheelers and three-wheelers sales to be electric by 2030, translate into 102 million electrical vehicles. That means our aim is by 2030 around 10 crore vehicles which runs with EV mode. That means with battery only. There are no petrol, diesel vehicles. This means required energy to charge batteries to run the vehicles. Instead of petrol, diesel, we need electrical energy. That means demand is more coming days, go on rising the demand. One is nationwide charging station network required. When constraints are there or some working required. Innovations in battery charging time. Critical raw material extraction, lithium extra. Use requirement of electric chips. More for private investment if they are required. Environment friendly, low pollution. Incentive and tax exemption on manufacturing and purchasing of electrical vehicles. Already government we extended some kind of incentive, but still if you provide more incentive, you can further go on this EV availability and the availability also. So why I am explaining this slide is power generation, power requirement is going up in the coming years. So you need to know why industry's requirement is going up, demand is going up. So that means this sector is growing. That means the opportunities will be grown up automatically. So required more generation, more demand means obviously more manufacturing setups required. Automatically employments also will improve in this sector. Continues to opportunities in electrical core sector only. The green energy revolution, solar and wind. Renewable energy is expected to form 70% of fresh capacity expansion expected over the next 5 years. This would help achieve India's commitment to increase renewable share in total generation of 40% to fiscal year 2030 from the current level of 20% as part of the Paris climate deal. As in today, we are getting 20% on 25% on the renewable energy we are generating. Remaining 75% by the coal, other sector, only. But by 2030, you want to increase this to 40%. That means renewable sector is going to increase further to meet the demand of our target of 40% share in the total demand. India is witnessing an exponential growth in the renewable energy sector, helping in effectively overcoming the pressing challenges of growing energy demand and alarming growth in air pollution levels. Innovations in solar panel charging time, innovation in battery storage capacity reduces our dependency on fossil fuel, buyback power policy from our solar grid system. The work is already started, need to improve further. But our aim is 40% from the renewable sources by year 2030. If you see some revolutions or R&D is already there in the sector, but still yet to go further. If you see the bulb, the first one, incandescent bulb. So this is called incandescent bulb. You can see in our, now also you can see very rare, but earlier we used to use that bulb only. It requires 60 watts per hour, consumes power energy. Now almost LED is already in place. Majority people are using LEDs. Only 7 watts only today. That means almost 90% reduction power consumption is already achieved with this technology. The next one is fan. Energy is consumed. Our olden days, 150 watts or more also they consume. Now the latest fans with 28 watts only. Almost it is around 75% reduction is there. The TVs also, earlier 150 watt, year to that in 1980s. Now the latest LED TVs are there. It is around 24 watt to that range only. It is also around 75% you can reduce the power consumption with TV also. Next, energy consumption through AC. Earlier Windows AC with old technology. At the one BTU means British thermal unit. In 90s, now the split AC star, 5 star, 4 is already introduced with high efficiency levels. Almost it is 83% saving on the new ACs. Then refrigerators also, at the time old refrigerators consumed 1200 units per annum in 1980s, now almost 200 units because energy efficiency levels are defined by BS and now everybody going for high efficiency models. So why I am presenting this slide is the R&D is still going on, did so much of R&D and efficiency levels are improving. So power can, even though demand is more, generation power also able to sufficient because of these improvements. If it is old equipment, the generation is not sufficient for our demand. So further R&D required to enhance the R&D levels in this sector. Till now, this is the industry. What is the India strategy, India generation levels, India demand levels, and their plans are explained. Now, this in industry, what is industry? How departments functioning? What is their expectations from the young talent or any persons from external source? Normally, we call departments mean only one availability. In a company, organization like us, so many departments are there. Everywhere, requirement is there for the new young talent, either engineers or other category also availability. If you see one company, generally, one chairman and managing director, top person will be there. Under him, board of directors will be there. Under them, so many departments like marketing. Normally, marketing means they get the orders. They go to customer and convince the customer and take the orders. Then design, that means product development. As per the customer requirement specifications, need to develop the product to suit to the customer requirement. So design department, then HR, human resource, they facilitate for the all recruitment and welfare of the employees. Then parallelly purchase, that's called procurement department. As per the bill of material prepared by the engineering department, they purchase the items as per the requirement timelines. Then quality, you have to ensure the quality of the customer. That's why they will ensure the quality controls in every aspect. Then finance, they will all statutory requirement of the organization they will take care, and also they will arrange the finance, payment, collections, all they will take care. And industrial engineering, the industrial engineering is coming up very high in nowadays because they need to study the product level, output, productivity. They will fix the norm. So next is planning. As per the requirement of the customer, they will plan the production and plan the material also. Then next is production. Use major people are there in production. They will manufacture product as per the design. the materials available. And then information technology, nowadays everybody using this advanced technologies in day-to-day operations. So they will manage all the infrastructure requirement related to IT and maintenance. They will use machinery requirement is there. That's why maintenance, preventive maintenance, proactive maintenance they will take care. And supporting functions like legal, safety, waste management, internal affairs will be there. So why I am presenting this session is opportunities are there in so many departments. In organization, so many departments there. Everywhere engineers are required. So that's what. So you need not go for, if you are not interested in production, you can choose engineering. You are interested in that. You are not going that sector, you can go for procurement, marketing. You are so much interested to go to customer and convince and advertisement your product, take orders, you can choose that career also. Need not go to the only production. If you have your interest, you can select the department as the opportunity of the organization. What I am presenting this session for your interest. Any doubts on this departments? Any department functions? Have you heard of all the departments? Internal projects. Sometimes need to have one project, that means establishing a small line of new manufacturing. The new product is required. The new setup required, like machinery, like small setup. So they come for internal project. They establish the product line, new line. Any kind of changes in the existing system, they will give a handle to them and they will ensure they will be available as per the requirement. It is not a regular function. As and when required, the new function, new layout, and something improvement in the layout, they comes under that project. Then now, work environment TTA. I'm explaining about our company. What is work environment for the, like a freshers GET, we call graduate engineer training. The fresh engineer joined as a grade of GET. Where work environment, I will explain. Normally we will take as a all new engineering graduates will intake is graduate engineer training. After that we will go for training. We will take around 2 to 6 months, depend upon the department, depend on the that year requirements. So first almost 6 months we will go on training in the various departments. On the job training also included. And also nowadays all will come in generalship in our company. There is ABC shifts also there. Workmen, supervisors will come in round the clock, 8 hours in a day. But whereas generalship, normally GETs will come in generalship. They come 5 days. Every first, third, fifth Saturday is holiday extra to them. And every Sunday is also holiday to them. So they need to work in generalship 5 to 6 days in a week, depend upon the week. Then work-life balance will always give a priority to the work-life balance also, not only work, how we are engaging them for their family, how they can spend their time, extra time with their families, will take care of that also, because we not only work, we have to balance your life also, personal life also. So we'll give a balance, work-life balance also. And also career progression. The moment you joined as a graduate engineer training, after 1 year, you will place an engineer, we call a U2 grade. Then after 2 years, that means starting from joining 1 year plus 2 years, the senior engineer will progress. Thereafter, as for your caliber, as for your hard work and dedication and contributions, further progress will be there. And also exposure to new technology, because the factory, big organization, addressing too many countries, new products are developing, new guidelines, new product requirements, specifications, standards, international standards, Indian standards. You need your exposure to the all kind of new technologies. That's why you have an opportunity to learn more and more with new technologies. This is the working environment in our TTTA. Do you have any doubts on this? You want explanation any further? How will be work will be there in the companies like our?
In the Hyderabad, sir, in the Hyderabad sector, How many people are working in this company?
In our company, 5,500. 5,500 in Hyderabad. In Toshiba, more than 1 lakh, but Hyderabad there are 5,500.
What is the selection? How is the selection process?
Selection process, madam. We have a examination, technical examination, maybe online examination. If at all you call for the batch study, you can send to requirement to our organization. We'll arrange one examination, online examination. Purely that is any new persons like the attitude, then like intellectual attitude and like technical, all will be there. They're not a tough examination, definitely. Any engineer can have a minimum knowledge, can able to attempt that. If you are able to get some marks, like 50%, they can go for the next level. The subsequently technical interest will be there. Selected as only. Technical interviews only will ask for only main fundamentals will ask, will not ask for the advanced technologies because you are not interested, not required too much advanced technologies. So, like fundamentals, are you clear in your aspects? All your any technical aspects, subject knowledge will ask, then will be joining as a graduate engineer training.
Sir, nowadays the electrical vehicles are coming out, so they are having some problems. And what are the solutions you can provide for them?
Is pardon, please can we repeat?
Electrical vehicles are coming.
Vehicles, okay.
They got some problems. So
Only two-wheelers has a got problem. I have to comment on this because we are not sure about we are not manufacturing any EVs. We are manufacturing only transformers and T&D products only. We are not manufacturing any EVs. We don't have much technology with us in India.
and one more thing, sir, the farmers, most of the time the farmers are the bores. So the bores are burning out, and because of this power fluctuation. What is the reason why?
As per my understanding, the reasons are the overload. Because they will take some power, some HP motor, efficiently, they will install something else, or unauthorized connections will be there. Because in reliability, one of the solutions, reliable power, the equipment, all electrical equipment T&D line, it is very good products. Definitely this issue may not arise. If a line is long line, suppose drawn from the substation to the long line, so the voltage drop will be there because of resistance in the cable. So before installation, they need to check the concerned LCD department. They need to check whether the voltage is delivered to the consumer point. So sometimes because of some infrastructure issue, something knowledge or something misproducts, they are not able to control all the aspects.
And one more thing, sir, most of the transformers, there are some warnings are coming up, and that is a defect of transformer, or else more power is coming. I don't understand that.
The case to case, maybe the recent warnings, what you have seen in the paper, because of continuous overload beyond their capacity. Suppose the transformer rating 100 kV, loaded for 150 kV. Up to 30% overload per 6 hours can be allowed as per the overload conditions. But if they want to draw more than 30%, more than 6 hours, definitely internal heat will be generated more than the expected heat. The oil what you use is around insulation oil, mineral oil. The flash point, core point is 140 degrees. The moment it crosses more than 140 degrees of temperature, inside the temperature, the transformer, the oil try to burn, try to purify it. So it's a majority overload condition only, as per my understanding on the recent changes.
And one more thing, sir, when I was a childhood, most of 8th class standard, I studied in a religious school. Our campus is the campus, almost the Nathan campus. And what happened is suddenly the transformer is there. Suddenly power, because of power, more power, completely all the tube lights burst. Then why the transformer is there? Why it has happened like this?
Actually, the transformer output is a line, 3-phase power transformer. There is one nodal connection and 3 RYB phase will be there. Sometimes the line to line fault or line to earth fault is happened. That means R and Y connected together because of wind, because of short circuit. Suddenly, instead of 250 volts here, you get 433 volts. All our appliances will be failed. So maybe because of the line to line fault and above the transformer, that's the reason very for that only. Otherwise, regular time, the voltage will be up to 250 plus or minus 12.5%. But in this case, face to face problem, line to line fault, like directly 2 lines are connected together because of wind or because of some short circuit. It experiences almost 2-3 times more than the phase voltage. So all lights, fans, which are connected, they'll burn automatically. So I'll move to the next slide also. So the expectations from young talent from our industry side. Strong fundamentals in electrical engineering.
Sir, don't mind, sir. One more question.
Yeah, please.
Actually, we are working, most of the education works are under the building service. And how the people are getting and what are the defects is there for their upcoming generation and training, how it affects the trade of the people.
There is a radio interface.
And
Understood.
one more thing, in earlier college where I was there, almost there, the class they have iron rod in the office, in the medicine office, and the filter on bulb, then it is going. How is it happening?
The two put together, the one is interference, the radio interference, how we suppose 1 mm 1 kV is the ideal condition to maintain in air clearance. Suppose one wire is there, 33 kV wire is going on height, there is a voltage levels are important. Normally you get 33 kV or 11 kV lines, domestic purpose. Like transmission, 66 kV class, 132 kV class, 220, even 400. Nowadays India is 765 is going. So the rating, voltage rating, you have to maintain more clearance. So the clearly define what distance required to maintain in the guidelines, the departments and as well as the standards also. You need to maintain certain distance. Otherwise, like all these effects, side effects may have a case. If you nearer to that. Otherwise, if you maintain that much distance, you don't affect anything. No one or anything. If the voltage class, that the clearance will be defined, not for everything. 11 kV clearance is just required. 30 kV more clearance, 66 kV, 132, like 245, then 400 kV. The next question is the grounding. I think what you have seen is one phase wire they are taken from the pole and only ground only. No, only ground land. You required one earth and one line only. There are two channels.
One rod, completely one rod, and for that one is
It is ground is that rod is for only ground. You require 2 wires. One is line, one is neutral to generate anything. So for this, they have one cable, one wire from the line, one more cable from the they have internally grounding in there. The 2 cables required. Only ground, why you have power from the external? You can generate with one rod, everybody. Not possible. Required one, they normally required 2 wires. One is neutral, one is phase. In this case, they taken one from the line. The second they taken as a earth, ground neutral as a earth from the ground. The second wire.
that is a 5-inch wire.
Items so they cannot take. They will. But on items so they cannot get. Even though they got also, they are depleted. The electric shock will come. The bulb will go only single phase around 250 volts only. Close path required. They may taken not observed, but only one, simply one rod, we cannot generate power.
Something on the ground, some wires on the ground. on the ground level, some
Maybe
ads are
they-
going and one is the.
They have taken something that is required.
Sir, I have a question. That Toshiba has only they have assembled the transformer or manufacture all the parts?
Our company is vertically integrated company. Vertically integrated company means we'll manufacture everything in-house only. Like a conductor will manufacture aluminum or copper, and fabrication like tank will buy raw materials and do fabrication, cutting, welding, bushing. Bushings we don't manufacture. Some key raw material will take from outside like taps, bushings, rod, CRGO, amorphous. But processing everything in-house only. Like fabrication, installation will produce, core will produce, tank will produce here. So we produce everything here except some key component like bushings, tap stitches. They are not required to produce everything in-house, widely available in the market. Over 16 units are there in this factory, 16 units. 1 unit for only conductor manufacturing, 1 unit for oil processing, 1 unit for only fabrication, tank manufacturing, tank welding, painting, surface treatment, 1 unit for assembly, 1 unit for installation. Like that, we have multiple units are there to manufacture components required for the transformer. Continue this industrial expectations from young talent, mainly from for you.
Madhu from Triple Department.
Yeah, tell me.
Actually, even though having quickly background, because the core companies are offering very less packages. They are offering 10,000 to 50,000 per person. That is the only reason they are going for software industry. What is the basic package from
In our company, now latest package, year to year we will modify these packages. Current package is 4.5 lakhs per annum for the new recruiting. After 1 year, you get 5.6 package. After 2 years, you get the next grade of employment, senior engineer. So starting grade is 4.5. After 1 year, 5.6. This is what package. And also now we are not calling for any bond like service bond. Earlier we used to execute.
my
Now
students are there in Vijay Electricals, they work for only 10,000, 12,000, 50,000.
I have joined as in 1995.
Yeah.
So not like that. Definitely we don't give that much low salaries. So now our starting rate is 4.5 lakhs. Start. That to know a service bond. Earlier we used to have a service bond for 3 years. So that's why some young talent they are not interested to execute the service bond for 3 years because they are locking 3 years their career. Now that is also removed recently. So our expectations or any industry expectations is strong fundamentals in electrical engineering because we don't know which technology. You have learned so many things in your engineering, but finally you require very few out of which, like transformer technology, like other things. So fundamentals should be very strong. Then next is communication skills. It is because we have to deal with the customers, we have to deal with the suppliers, we have to deal with the business partners. So communications is must because in our organization, the majority our bosses and all from Japan only, so they can understand only English. That's the only communication mechanism with us. So communication in English is must for us. And is enthusiasm to work in core electrical industry. Nowadays, so many people are joining. After some time, they are leaving because their cousin is working in software, their brother is working in software. I want to go back. Coming and going has no meaning for us, for you, or anybody. So there is a strong enthusiasm required to work in core industry. Then only you can learn and continue and progress your career. That's most important. Then next is self-discipline. In colleges, you can come one day, next day you can come. But organization, there is a discipline. You need to apply for a leave, proper leave, get informed to the next your superior. So self-discipline required because so many people are observing you. So if at all one engineer is there for me, under me around 1800 people are working under me. I am not self-disciplined. All 1800 people are watching me. How I am doing my work, how I am applying leave, something, anything. So not yourself, so many people are observing you because in industry, so your self-discipline is most important. So next is ability to lead the teams. We believe in Toshiba, teamwork is the only one way to achieve the targets or achievements together, not a standalone or alone activities. So you have to ability to lead the teams as well as work in a team also. That is one of the, and also ownership. Once it comes to the organization like us, everything you have to see ownership, because if something waste, you need to control. You have owned the things, then you can deliver the best way out of it. Without owning anything, if you do, may sometimes lead to some other issues. That's why you have to own all your responsibilities. Then a owner, you have to think. As a owner, you have to think and deliver the requirements. This is from basic expectations from engineering graduates or any talent from the organization like us. Any doubts on this? Any further explanation? Majority people are failing in strong fundamental electrical first point only, because I am the person regularly taking interviews. Any engineers, GED, join means typical interviews I am only conducting. Majority people, they know something, but basics they are forgetting always. If you ask what is transformer, they are not able to tell. How transformer functioning, they are not able to tell. So please understand thoroughly the technologies, theories. Then the remaining is very easy to understand and further progression also. There is a first year, I think you are all first year students. Please focus on fundamentals also. Learn. If you don't know, again you ask your professors. You can enter, you can search in any searching engines. But fundamentals are required. Otherwise, your clarity will not be missing somewhere. Basics are not clear. Sometimes, again you come back to the basics. So this first part is very critical. You want to settle in core industry. That's all from my side. Now interaction, if you want any clarifications on the Indian industry or electrical sector and our company, or any opportunities or our expectations, any aspects.
Chances for internship and for the students?
Internship for 4 weeks or internship for 6 months. There are two types of.
I thought that's 6 months internship.
6 months internship, we thought of going, but we need people who want to settle in electrical industry. For the sake of 6 months internship, they want to CV, they want to fill CV 6 months. We don't want to take those people in our, because you need to spend a lot of time with them. For 6 months, we cannot do anything output from them. We need to go on give training only. Up to 1 year, we cannot get any output from any engineers, because so much of training required because of technologies and all. Who is really interested is settled in core industry. Strong desire is there, enthusiasm is there, definitely you can recruit them. If he is good and is willing to continue, we want to continue later after 6 months. Our interest is, you want to continue after 6 months also. In that aspect, anybody interested, we are ready. But only, okay, 6 months, then we want to settle back to another company. Is really not working for us. We need to spend a lot of resources from our side also, training. But here, I am telling a lot of opportunities are in the electrical sector. Not only IT, software. Lot of opportunities are there because the companies are growing. Because a lot of demand is coming from the electrical. In future, the sector will grow further. Definitely people requirement, that to engineers like you, the requirement will go. And also like a software, you can have a career progression, good salaries, good work-life balance. Everything will come out of us after some time definitely. Initially maybe compared to them, initially slow. But thereafter if you go for career progression. So I am settling in Hyderabad last 26 years because I am selected as a graduate engineer training in a core company. Even though I am electrical engineer, I am not opted for software. So last 26 years I am one company. So one you can settle in Hyderabad, cannot move to any other areas, need not look for any other job. That some advantage will be there. So if you really thought of want to settle, please focus on fundamentals, improve communication skills. Definitely After 4 years, you get a good job in core industry.
Any industrial visit conditions?
Case to case, we'll consider, madam, because if you see any external one, we need to focus our, we have a limited resource on this aspect. Case to case, for you, maybe I can help you. Not a regular, we are not accept all together. For this college, definitely I can help you. But not like all the colleges. Because we need to send some people for this along with the company and explain about our process. But for your college, maybe I can help you. For the faculty and the AAA department requesting, please explain them the core business, core sector also, equal opportunity is there. Definitely a lot of opportunity is there. And career also, very good career is going there. And need not worry about initially salary mailers like this. Now we are also gearing up to meet their expectations. Like work-life balance, salary days off, and the salaries also. So definitely this is one of the chance and choice for the new engineers. Please encourage them, my request is that.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vijay from first year IIIC. My question is, as you told, current percentage of electrical vehicles is 25%, and by 2030 you told
No, not electrical vehicles. The renewable energy is 25% present. Renewable energy like solar generation, wind generation. Present generation percentage of total percentage 25%. Renewable energy, not EV vehicles. EV vehicles is nowhere, not 1%. So around 2030, you want to go for 40% renewable energy. By reducing the coal-based or fossil fuel-based generation, you want to improve on this aspect. That's what. Not the EV vehicles. EV vehicles, we are almost below 1%.
Can we expect in future from you EV vehicles manufacturing, sir?
Our company? No. It's automobile. Now we have so many companies in India as well as in the world. They have batteries, they have different divisions are there. In our factory, we will go only T&D sector, transmission and distribution. That means transformers, any transformer and switchgear like GS, we will consume that products only as I'm today. I don't know future strategies as I'm today.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, any government jobs?
Government jobs.
So actually, because of the software boom, remaining branches are, so earlier two sections are electrical. Now
But we are also worrying as a factory of electrical equipment manufacturer, we are also worrying. Slowly downsizing the department sections. So tomorrow, what is our next generation, who will take care? That's what today I am interested to come and explain what is going in this T&D sector, particularly this core sector. Definitely this sector will grow, definitely, because everybody want power only, future. In every house, every year they are adding electrical appliances only. Today one AC, tomorrow second AC, today one TV. Like that they are increasing electricity demand. That means generation will go. That means equipment requirement also will go. Definitely this sector will grow. Requirement for electrical engineers also will grow. Definitely there is no doubt. But nobody interested to come and IIIC. Everybody want CSC or next chance EC only. That is a quite worry about for us also. The concern is there for us. Today we are facing the shortage of engineers, I am telling you.
Can we expect some campus placement from your company?
Yes, madam, definitely. We are doing regularly. After my job is only taking entry on last, we are trying to get people. But our worry is they are joining after some time they are leaving because of their cousin is in software, their uncle is in US, you want to go higher studies. They don't think properly. First they join as Hyderabad because it is Hyderabad. Then they start trying for other job, other career options. So that creating a lot of resources consumption in our area. So who is really interested? Definitely the right path for them to select this company or any electrical industry.
renewable energy from the sand, sir.
I don't know much knowledge on this.
I Google it there. In future, very good.
I don't know much idea on this.
Rajasthan, so much of sand.
In India, majority they do only renewable. Now solar, because a huge area is there. In Rajasthan, we have the intensity of and also day-long generation sunlight available. So too many plants are coming in Rajasthan, solar generation, and also windmills is growing. These two sectors are really growing very fast. You can expect huge generation from these two sectors, but remaining I don't think much. R&D is not going that way. Standard.
From any gases,
LPG gas, any gas you can generate, but again, availability of gas is limited.
in the Rajasthan, most of the camels are breathing the methane gas. Methane gas. Because of the methane gas, they are filling the flights, they are filling the camels.
They have very limited availability, resource is limited only. I don't know that much about it.
Instead of that, whatever they are releasing the gas, from those gas it can be generated.
Any gas, this range of gases, no, you can generate definitely, but I don't know much knowledge about that. Internal project departments. Main internal project departments, they go for any machinery development, customized machinery development. I need some winding machine which is different than existing. I want to build a new advanced machinery with my experience. So internal project department take the inputs from the user department. What is your requirements? I want to wind this way. So they need to build one new machinery. As per the inputs from the user department, they start manufacturing by taking some component from external and they try to do in-house, they call internal projects. Some other way, some layout also we modify, added new layout to address a key market in other countries. So new layout requirement like workstations, conveyors, all machinery which is required, handy equipment, they lay a new line for the new product or new market. Anything existing will go as it is. Any requirement, special requirements, enhancement of machinery or a new machinery or a new line to handle a new product or new market, they comes under internal projects only. They developed in our company paper, automatic paper feeding and cutting machinery they developed. Like handling of a new line is established for the assembly lines. Too many are there. Requirement is there, but the people are limited. As per their limited resources, they are planning one by one. Okay, no questions, I will conclude my session. Thank you very much for your patience listening. Once again, thank you very much from the management of Aeronautical Engineering College and Dean Murthy and Srinivas sir for giving this opportunity. Best of luck for your career. And once again, don't, if at all you are interested, please choose electrical industry is one of your dream job. That's my request for you. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for a wonderful section. I request to Venkat Raju sir, felicitation. I request to CS Srinivasa sir also come.